All-new electric Mini Countryman has been officially revealed as the brand's first made-in-Germany model, as well as the largest model in the British Marque's revamped lineup. Measuring 174.5 inches, 4,433 millimeters, long, 72.5 in, 1,843 millimeters, wide, and 65.1 in, 1,656 millimeters, tall. The new generation Countryman will make its public debut alongside the new Mini Cooper EV at this year's IAA Munich starting on September 5th. The electrified third-generation crossover is 5 in, 130 millimeters, longer and 2 in, 60 millimeters, taller than its predecessor, and it will be available in 2 power levels: Countryman E, which has a WLTP-rated range of 287 miles, 462 kilometers, and is motivated by a front-mounted electric motor that makes 201 horsepower, 150 kilowatts, and 184 pound-feet, 250 newton-meters, of torque, and Countryman SE all-4. The more powerful version offers a WLTP range of 269 miles, 433 kilometers, and comes with a dual-motor all-wheel drive setup that's good for a combined 308 horsepower and 364 lb-ft, 494 newton-meters, of torque. Battery-wise, the official press release doesn't mention the capacity of either version, but previous teasers mentioned a 54 kilowatt-hour pack for the Countryman E and a 64 kilowatt-hour pack for the Countryman SE all-4. However, the charging rates are mentioned in the document, with both variants accepting up to 22 kilowatts of AC power and up to 130 kilowatts at a DC fast charger. The entry-level vehicle can accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 8.6 seconds and reach a top speed of 105 miles per hour, 170 kilometers per hour, while the more potent model can sprint to 62 miles per hour in 5.6 seconds and top out at 111 miles per hour, 180 kilometers per hour. Compared to its smaller Mini Cooper counterparts, which can only accept up to 11 kilowatts of AC power and a maximum of 95 kilowatts when connected to a DC fast charger in the case of the Cooper SE, the electric Countryman fares better. Up front, the new-gen crossover features a new octagonal grille that integrates a small radar sensor used for the vehicle's Level 2 driving assistance systems, as well as configurable LED daytime running lights that offer up to 3 lighting signatures, similar to the new Mini Cooper. A redesigned, distinctive C-pillar that has distinctive shapes based on the chosen trim level dominates the side profile, closely followed by the up to 20-inch rims, while the rear incorporates flush tail lights. As with the equally new Mini Cooper, the 2024 Countryman comes with a curved dashboard covered in textile surfaces on some trim levels and around 9.44-inch, 240 mm center OLED screen that displays everything from travel speed to navigation information and battery status. Running the company's operating system 9, the Countryman can accept voice commands via the Hey Mini greeting or by using the push-to-talk steering wheel button that brings up the Mini Intelligent Personal Assistant. With seating for 5 people, the German-built crossover can be spec'd with a split panoramic glass roof, while the rear row of seats can be adjusted in length by up to 5 in, 130 millimeters, which can either increase the legroom for rear passengers or increase the luggage space in the trunk. Mini says that with the rear backrest in its normal position, the cargo volume of the trunk is rated at 460 liters, a figure that can be increased to 1,450 liters by folding the rear seats. Additionally, there's a second-floor compartment where the charging accessories that come with the car can be stored. An optional trailer that can be electrically retracted and extended is available, offering a towing capacity of up to 2,645 pounds, 1,200 kilograms. 4 trim levels will be offered for the new all-electric Countryman, identical to what the Mini Cooper gets: Essential, Classic, Favored, and JCW. The base Essential trim comes with black sports seats covered in patterned multi-tone textiles. The Classic trim replaces the 2-spoke basic steering wheel with a 3-spoke version with a new textile strap in the 6 o'clock spoke, while the Favored trim brings a dark petrol finish to the dashboard and door panels, as well as sports seats with accent stitching and embroidered Mini logo. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for thrilling adventures, expert insights, and exclusive content. Join our vibrant community and never miss a moment of excitement. Hit that subscribe button now and be part of the journey.